for those that don't know, you can actually sell an investment property and 1031 exchange it into a syndication style deal with us as the sponsor. So this is a great option for someone who is essentially a tired landlord. They might own a vacation property, they might own a rental property, an investment property, and they want to sell it because they have a lot of equity there, but they also have a lot of taxes that they would pay in capital gains if they were to sell. So the 1031 exchange is a fabulous vehicle where they can actually sell the property, roll those gains over tax deferred into a new opportunity. And even better, that new opportunity can be with Lone Star. So they can go from an active owner of the real estate to a more passive owner, because Lone Star will be obviously implementing our professional management and oversight via property management, construction management, asset management. So this has been incredibly popular. We've had many investors do this. It's a great way for us to get raise a lot of capital, because 1031s by nature are bigger checks. You're talking about people selling commercial property that's worth
Millions plus, yeah.
2 million, 5 million, $10 million. So our minimum investment from a 1031 exchange perspective is $1 million. And for the referral program, we are incentivizing and rewarding people to refer a friend that has a 1031 exchange $10,000.
Oh my gosh. So, funny enough, I thought it was going to be $5,000, but you heard it here, live on air, so to speak, that you are willing to pay $10,000. We are, as a team, Lone Star Capital, will pay anyone who refers us 1031 exchange investor $10,000 in the event they 1031 exchange, you refer us to them, they 1031 exchange into our offering. If you can get us an investor that 1031 exchanges into our offering and we close that deal, we will pay you $10,000. That's incredible.
It's wonderful, and 1031 exchange investors are great, like we talked about, because they are a big source of capital. We've raised tens of millions of dollars through 1031s, and just like a regular investor, we hope to underpromise and overdeliver and provide such a great experience for our 50K investors and our $5 million investors, so that no matter who you are, you choose to keep your dollars with us. And that way, when we sell that property and we actually have a deal level 1031 exchange, those investors are excited to roll with us. And so we're willing to refer people, because we know long term how valuable this business is going to be, and grow as we scale.